In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Graph API to n8n. If you're automating reports, pulling page insights, or managing comments, connecting the Facebook Graph API to n8n gives your workflows a secure, reusable bridge to Facebook's data. We'll walk through the credential setup inside n8n so you can use this connection across any workflow you build. Start in your n8n dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Personal to switch to your personal workspace area. This view is where you manage items that belong to your account. Next, open the Credentials tab. Think of this as your secure vault for API keys and tokens that nodes can reference. In the top right, click Create Credential to add a new connection entry. A search window will open. Type Facebook Graph API, then select it from the results and click Continue. Picking the exact integration here matters because n8n tailors the fields and authentication method for the service you choose, ensuring requests are signed correctly when your workflows run. You'll now see the credential form. Start by giving the credential a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, something that hints at the page, app, or purpose it's tied to. Then enter the credentials required for the Facebook Graph API integration. In most setups, that means values such as an app ID, an app secret, and an access token with the permissions your workflows need. These values are sensitive, so handle them carefully and avoid sharing them anywhere outside your secure tools. If you work with multiple pages or environments, create separate credentials for each so you always know exactly which connection you're selecting in a workflow. Before saving, pause to double-check for typos and confirm that each value is pasted into the correct field. When you're confident everything looks right, click Save. n8n will securely store this credential, so you won't need to paste tokens into individual nodes again. That's the whole setup completed. From now on, whenever you add a Facebook Graph node to a workflow, you can simply choose this saved credential from the dropdown and focus on building your automation rather than dealing with authentication details. To quickly recap, open Personal on the left, go to the Credentials tab, click Create Credential, search for Facebook Graph API and continue, enter your API details, and click Save. With that, your connection is ready to use across your n8n projects in a consistent and secure way.